Chat, what's good, man? Welcome back to the streams. How are we all doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Come say hi. Good morning. Happy Monday. Let me change this over. Nice. So, all right, cool. We're out here. Welcome back. Why is my display not on? That is not good. Let me just change this up real quick. Okay. All right, perfect. There you go. Cool. Yeah, look, we are pushing. Happy Monday. I did want to get some nice. What's that? I wanted to get some nice positions here on gold before the weekly flip down here, but unfortunately the weekly is already flipped right now. We're gonna have to see what happens, but Jesus, this is yeah, it's ripping, to be honest. 30-minute close as well. Next one's pushing straight up. Nothing I can take right now. I do think we've grabbed the low, to be honest, and I think we could see a continuation up here. So I mean, look, let's see what we can do. Let me do a quick breakdown and then we'll get into it. So obviously, chat, the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame both closed bullish above the most recent on gold. You've now come down to make a bottom wick, and you are now flipping as well on that time frame. You've actually already flipped. If you look at it, we gapped up, so technically this candle is already bullish. But yeah, so the weekly's the same story. You came down and tapped exactly into my level as well, which is tough. I was looking at a tap down into, well, this area around here. We tapped into it and flipped during the Asian. 4 hours pushing up without any bottom wick, really. But look at the structure we've made. As you can see, okay. Yeah, as you can see, the structure we've made is pretty clean, if I do say so myself. Like a bullish structure all the way up. Very, very clean and simple. Expecting the next leg up right now after this move. So, yeah, look, I mean, we'll see what happens. Drop to the 1 hour though, and we can get our ranges here. Realistically, any closure above this level right here should take you up. I mean, there's a little area at 801, but you should be able to continue upwards with a nice closure above 2798. You've got like a minor range there. Obviously, no history other than that, so we could drop to the 30 potentially, and take a look at this level right here as well. Does seem to be a relatively strong level. Otherwise, chat, a retracement back towards the bottom of the level might be nice before that continuation back up. I'm just not sure if we're actually going to get that now because we grabbed liquidity and flipped. So I don't know what real reason we'd have to do that. I looked literally about 10 minutes ago and we were still down here, but we decided to rip up. So it is what it is. Chat, sells for me are realistically only if we break this low down here. It's going to be very difficult for me to take sells today. In fact, this week it might be very difficult to take sells. With everything going on, you know, we have the tariff wars going on in America. There's lots of stuff happening. There's a lot of uncertainty in the markets, which means a lot of people will flood towards, you know, towards gold. So I think gold's very bullish this week. And yeah, realistically, like I said, closure above this level should be good to take you up towards the top of the range on the 1 hour. We just have to wait and see for the, you know, the closures to form. So chat, that's literally the analysis today. We're at all-time highs, so be a little bit careful. You always have to be a little bit more wary when we're at all-time highs, but nonetheless, it's not untradeable. We just wait for our perfect setups, and yeah, that's all we do, chat. So look, if you haven't already, drop a like. Otherwise, welcome back to the streams. Happy Monday, and how's everyone doing? Good renter rocks. You got time to stream but not to answer my question? Yo, my bad. My bad. I saw your question. Yeah, I'll fix it. Good Triz, Noodle Holtz, Malinko, Nathaniel, JJ. Hi, what's good? A lot of people in here right now. What's poppin'? Yay. What's good? What's good? Chat. Really fucking red Monday over here, or weekend over here. Jesus Christ. Crypto had a absolute shocker. Very, very poor day, I can't lie. It's good, Jed. Sahil, welcome. Oh, gang's here, chat. Yeah, absolute shocker performance from the crypto market over the weekend, but it is what it is. We move. I'm gonna move this light though, it's right in the fucking way. Fuck's sake. How can I do this? Ordered a new set of stereo lights, but they haven't arrived. Not stereo, of studio lights, but they haven't arrived yet. So still improvising. Right, it's a lot better. What's Bitcoin price now? 95,000. But like 6 pips earlier before my BE was tapped. Hey, good stuff, Nathaniel. W, man. Yeah, chat, cool. So, 5-minute closing here. After the 30-minute close, respecting the level. I'd like to see a bit of a retracement if I'm truly honest. I'm a bit concerned that we're just going to continue to rip through the entire day without making structure. That would be, yeah, not ideal for us. But again, nothing we can do until then. We have to just wait and see. We have to wait and see. Did anyone catch anything in pre-London this morning? Or even Asian last night? I was taking a look in Asian, but I had to go to sleep. I was too tired. You sell all your BTC or hold and forget? I don't have any Bitcoin, to be honest, bro. I don't have any Bitcoin. I have a lot of crypto, but not Bitcoin. Not because I don't believe in it, but because I think there's more opportunity to leverage your money better in other areas. That being said, super fucking red on my portfolio today, so maybe I should have just done Bitcoin. Proximity was good. Took 150 pips today on gold. Huge, bro. You catch the buys. I think you must have done. Oh no, you took sales, didn't you? On my SNR pretty identical to the ones you did, so that's progress. It is indeed. Congrats, man. All stop loss to be within 20 pips, so everything ran. W, bro. Clean. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I was looking for the buys, to be honest. I've said this already, but I did believe that we'd tap into this level and then reject, and we did exactly that. So, yeah, this could be clean. I think there's a big opportunity for us to continue running now. You've got a wick fill here. Once you fill that wick, obviously there's nowhere to go other than all-time high. And yeah, 15-minute close. Potentially, we'll see how the 15-minute does close. The hourly is probably going to be a little bit nicer. But I would need the hourly to push up above the range here and then come back and make a top wick. Otherwise, we're pretty overextended right now. It's very difficult for us to squeeze in a trade. We don't want to be forcing it on a Monday morning, right? Nothing worse than breaking your plan on a Monday morning. So we're obviously not going to do that. Ethereum is just dropping through the floor. Holy shit. Interesting, chat. Alright, but look, so the 15, the 15 does want to look to close above here. You do have a little bit of room, to be honest, towards like 802. You got like 40 pips, 30 pips up there. But I mean, look, let's see how we go. When you see price pushing like this as well, it's sort of a little bit difficult for us to take anything, just based off of the fact that, yeah, there's no structure, no liquidity grabs. It's a little bit difficult. If this was any other time, the market opening would be going for a buy, wouldn't we, as it broke out? If we got it down here, then yeah, maybe. But unfortunately, it's pushed so far at the minute, I can't really take anything. But it's just going to be a case of seeing how this hourly closure is most likely. I mean, I'll look at the 15, but I think the highest probability is that we get something off the hourly here, just based off the fact that, yeah, we need a liquidity grab. So I need to see a big bottom wick on the next hourly, or at least a retracement right now. Even if we push down and close below here, chat, even if we close below this level, you know, it's not a problem. If we can come down, tap back into 2790, we can get some buys back up there. And that'll essentially be catching the break and retest. But obviously, by the looks of it right now, it doesn't really want to do that. But this looks a little bit nicer. If it can leave a top wick, then we can have a go at it. We can definitely attempt something here. Only concern again is stops though. We just pushed 100 pips in about 20 minutes, so Stops would be very large. Unless you get like a really big wick entry. Also, chat, remember the 30-minute close below, right? So at any point this could flip and continue back down. Just like this one did here. Or this one, you know? There's still a possibility of that. So don't be super bullish. Don't get FOMO or anything. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Alright, cool, chat. What's good, Dev? How's it going, man? What's up, SG? What's good? What's good? Yeah, I think, to be honest, it's going to be a good month this month. January last month was a very good month. An absolutely incredible month for us. So we need to be, you know, grateful for that. And just continue this momentum onwards, right? We've been absolutely killing it. So, yeah, just stay disciplined. February's no different to January, right? Price action might be a little bit different, but I don't think it will be, to be honest, too much. So we can stay focused, stay locked in. And yeah, patience is the name of the game. It is. I'm just trying to see how to access the playbook. You can do this. Go to that link right there and then just click get access. What's up, boys? What's up, channel? What's good, Joel? How's it going, man? Otherwise, wait. Let me send you a link. That should be it, right? Yeah, there you go. Rental Rocks, there it is. Okay, man, what's good, Joel? Chat, I'm super excited though. I'm super excited for this month, this week. I was itching to get back trading yesterday. I don't know why. I just kind of really wanted to be back on the charts. I've rarely had that feeling, but yeah, I was looking forward to it. So this should be a good week, I think. There's a lot of opportunity. Volume seems good already in London, which is great. We have a 15-minute close here in about 3 minutes. Good positive energy all round, chat. There is news today as well. I forgot to mention. Let me just check that out. So there's news later on. It's at 3 o'clock though, so most likely I won't be trading around this time. Yeah, ISM manufacturing PMI. Let's actually, whilst we're here, let's check what we have for the week. Nothing on. Oh no, we do job openings on Tuesday. Non-farm employment change on Wednesday, as well as ISM services PMI. Thursday you have unemployment claims, and Friday you have non-farm employment, unemployment rate. Yeah, should be a good week, chat. A lot of volume in the markets. Do you trade BTC on the weekend? No, I don't. I think 5 days on the charts is enough for me, to be honest. I'm pretty exhausted by the end of the week anyway. This weekend, actually, chat, for the first time in a while, I actually just took time off and rested, which was really nice. I just chilled out for a bit, you know. Obviously still went to the gym and everything, but yeah. Every USD market's had a big drop on the opening. Yeah, and gold actually gapped up. If you look at it, gold gapped up, so it closed here and it opened up here. So it gapped up by about 40 pips on the opening, which is interesting. So technically, when this looks like it's still bearish right now, this is actually flipped because the opening is here. So that's where it should be. Technically, gold is, yeah, already bullish on the weekly. It's sort of rejecting off this flip here, which is interesting. The 30-minute, I believe, did just flip. Yeah, it did. You might start to see a mirror of something like this, to be honest, to come back down and grab some liquidity towards the bottom of this level. Obviously, I'm not going to take sells right now, though, chat. I think that's a bit ambitious, or a bit aggressive, even. Happy we're not trading around news? News is very unpredictable, right? There's a high volume, a lot of slippage. It's difficult to trade during news. So normally we'll trade after news, but before it, it's very tough. kept tweaking when I tried looking at my phone. You're good, bro. Don't worry. No stress. So let's see, chat. 15-minute closing here in about 30 seconds. We did flip, but now you're pushing back up a little bit. Was that the 5-minute just getting a bottom wick? Maybe. Let's see what we want to do, chat. Let's see. Yeah, it did close above here. Interesting. Or no. I mean, yeah, somewhat above. Kind of at the level though, so it's a bit difficult to take anything there, to be honest. Again, we're going to have to wait for this hourly, chat. Major currency pairs like GU and EU gap like a whole range. I know, it's insane. I saw US 30 as well. Went crazy on the opening. Gap down by like a ridiculous amount. What is it that raise trades are on? Yeah, look. Absolutely ripped down on the opening. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous, chat. It's just due to the uncertainty in the markets, to be honest. Like, no one's really sure of anything. Crypto's fucking ripping down. Very, very interesting times, chat. To be honest though, with crypto right now, I think that this is probably your last opportunity to buy before you get one more all-time high and then we rip down. I think if this was going to be the top of the market, everyone would be a bit more euphoric right now. Due to US tariffs? Yeah, 100%. 100%. Where's this photo that I want? This one. Yeah, I think realistically... Oh, wait. Why can't I open it? This thing, chat. I would say realistically, right now, we're probably in... I don't know where we would be, to be honest. I don't think we're up here yet. There hasn't really been euphoria. I don't know, we'll see. Belief, maybe? But chat, look, 50 of you in here already. I appreciate you all very, very much. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you are new. Drop a like if you haven't already. It really is, you know, super helpful. But yeah, look, we're waiting now for this hourly closure in about 10 minutes time. Otherwise, there's not much we can do because we are sort of frozen here. Volume seems to have dropped off a little bit. So yeah, just wait, stay patient, and stay locked in with us. And I'm sure, to be honest, there's a lot of potential for positions today, right? We've been absolutely killing it recently. I think last month we did, I don't know, what was it like? 19%, 17% or something? What did it say in the Discord? Let me check. Yeah, 17.7%, which was absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So yeah, look, this month, you know, there's no reason for it to be any different. We'll stay focused and just keep printing some cash. As long as you stick to the plan, all you can do. I wanted to say as well about the US tariffs. I think when the market decides what it wants to do, we'll have a clear path. Everyone will make so much money. Yeah, I think so, to be honest. I've also been itching to get on the charts. Watch some Module 4 videos, and I have the flip, break of current high, previous candle high, players memorized. I need to rewatch Fake Out and Skydweller. Yeah, you got it, bro. You got it, man. 100%. That's clutch. Good shit. 18% is elite. Hey, thank you, Noodle Holtz. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it much. That... English. Appreciate it very much. Yeah, it was genuinely a sick month last month. Just need to remember that obviously it's relatively high, you know. Not every month's going to be like that, but you know, not impossible. Not impossible at all. Five-minute closing here, chat. Again, look, we're starting to range here on the 1 minute. You've sort of, the volume's died off after that pump, so you're gonna need to see some volume being picked back up, and you might need a liquidity grab as well. Now that we've sort of cooled down, the volume's died off. That's when you're gonna likely, you know, range. Then you'll get the liquidity grab, and then you'll continue the move. So yeah. Yeah, moving in about 2 weeks as well, which is nuts. Literally 2 weeks tomorrow, I move out to Cyprus. So hyped for it. But yeah, like 1, 2, yeah. Fucking crazy times, chat. The content when I'm out there is going to be insane, right? I've literally spent the last, you know, week or so writing down videos that I'm going to make when I'm out there. Just because I want to wait till I have a super nice backdrop and a good camera setup and everything. So, yeah, trust me. You guys are going to see some crazy shit. I'm going to try and make it super educational, you know, as much trading education as possible. And yeah, what's your final verdict on your PC situation? Can you really take it on the plane? I might put it in my, you know, I'm tempted to just put it in my suitcase, you know. I think it's small enough to put in my suitcase. I'm just going to put like a shitload of, what's it called? Expanding foam or whatever it is, you know, that little like packing stuff in it, and then put it in my suitcase, and then put a monitor in my suitcase too, to be honest. Put it into his inventory. I know, bro, I wish I had an inventory like that. Just stick it in the backpack. With what did you bring your car there? Bro, I can't take my car. I can't take my car. It's so sad. They won't let me import it. Expanding foam, I hope not. Bubble wrap? No, not actual. There's like this shit you can get, and it's specifically for PCs. It's like a bag. You crack it open, and it has like a chemical reaction, and it lightly expands, and you put it inside the case, so that like nothing gets fucked up. Yeah, I wish I could take my car, but I have to sell it, unfortunately. Otherwise, I have to pay like 15k in tax. Yeah, so I'm gonna sell it. It's so shit. So shit, but it is what it is, chat. I'm gonna upgrade the parts of my PC this year, gonna make the whole thing sexy. Yo, I need to do this, chat. I just don't know how to do it. What's good, Zulu? How's it going, man? Fresh Break, same plan, indeed. Max, what's good as well? Bring with you the GPU and CPU and buy the rest there. I could do, to be fair, but there's not much point. It's pretty expensive out there, to be honest. About to crush your PC? I will see. Give you 5k for the car? Crazy. Yeah, look at this 30-minute. It looks like we might have a Sky Dweller play coming back down to fill the bottom of the range. Especially since we're like, you know, we are rejecting off the level. We've done this in the past too. I do think you do need to tap back down into 91. We'll look if we can take the sells. It's a bit aggressive, but if it forms correctly, I don't see why not. Doesn't know how to put it together or take it apart though. That is very true as well. I've got no clue how to do any of that. I'm very much not a nerd in terms of PC stuff. I have no clue. I just bought one. Like, I just bought a pre-built PC. I know how to operate them, but not to build them and that shit. Alright, man, I'm too sexy to be called a nerd. Alright. I take it back. Chat, we have 6 minutes here to the hourly close. The hourly is retracing. What I think I'd prefer, rather than taking the sells to come back down here, is wait for us to actually push back down here and then take buys to continue back up towards the top of the next level. I think that's the better play. I think that makes a lot more sense, if I'm truly honest. Yeah, otherwise, chat, you're sort of risking getting caught in a, you know, the low already and caught in a continuation. Really not what you want, to be honest. You don't want to get caught in that little continuation, because then you got really no chance of recovery. If it wants to push up, it's just going to push straight through your stops. So that's why, you know, counter trend trading, I mean, it's okay, but especially when we're this bullish, it can get very, very difficult. I had a blood test yesterday. I'm gonna get my full analysis done by this guy. Well excited for it, like vitamin analysis, like what is it, hormone levels, everything. So like, you know, gut health, all that shit. I'm so excited for it. I really want to see, like, trying to get healthy when I move to Greece. Not that I'm not healthy, but I'm trying to like lock it in properly. Top down blood test analysis is mad. I know, bro. This guy's doing the full top down analysis on me. Starting from the weekly, going all the way down to the hourly. Curious what your natural test is? Yeah, me too. Oh, crypto portfolio is looking rough right now. We will recover though. It's looking very, very rough. What's the most common rules on ACG? Suskin, just don't risk more than 5% in a day. You get 10% drawdown overall. And that's about it, really. You actually have to stick to a certain amount of risk, like 1.5% risk. Other than that, there's not too many hidden rules. Try and take like one trade a day. Oscar Kata, how's it going, man? Good, Louis as well. Welcome back. Hi, dog, what's good? All right, SG, fly me out to the EU to take it apart from you, then fly me to Cyprus, then fly me home. Crazy. All right, maybe. Yeah, be closing here in about 3 minutes. The 30-minute is closing bearish by the looks of it. I mean, it's currently bearish, but we'll see how it closes. Hourly's obviously closing bullish towards the top of the range. Yeah, I'm curious to see what's going to happen here, to be honest. Especially with the 30. If it closes like this, you do have a Sky Dweller play forming. Let me open my brokerage real quick. Open Sesame. Alright, cool. Let's see, chat. A lot of opportunity here. So much potential, to be honest, for this month and week. I'm so locked in. It's going to be a crazy, crazy week. How does the max loss work on ACG? You get maximum 10% loss overall, and then in one day you can lose like 5%. And that's it. Chat, 2 minutes here. Close bearish on this 30. We can take a look at the sales for the wick fill. But it has to form correctly, right? You need a big top wick first. Otherwise, chat, you know, it could just be a bottom wick for us to continue back up. So you have to be careful with that one. Yeah, really need to be careful. Yo, where have I gone? Alright, we're back. Actually, what lot size can I use on a 1 to 30 leverage with ACG 50k funded? With the what? It depends on. I'd be using like a 2 lot max probably. Yeah, most likely like a 2 lot maximum. Or just busted a Harry Potter move. Yeah, in and out. Crazy. So it doesn't include drawdown? What do you mean? Lot size on a 10k funded. Depends on what your stops are, but you're looking at like 0.2 lot probably if you have 50 pip stops. Doesn't let me pop a 2 lot? Oh, crazy. Wait, why'd you get 1 to 30 leverage on there? Did they lower your leverage or something? Isn't it normally 1 to 500? Chat, anyway, look, we're closing here in a minute. Let me just lock in for a second. I'll answer your questions in a second. Stay focused right now. There's a lot of opportunity here. One step. I've got one step too on one of them. All right, chat. Let's see. We are closing bearish by the looks of it. Big reaction in the last minute. The 5 minute did tap into the level though, so that might be your top wick already made, which is going to be a bit difficult. Yeah, you might have already made that top wick. Mm-mm-mm. 10 seconds till we close. Volume's still a bit dead though, like we're not moving really that much. Most likely it's waiting for that hourly close, but still. How did the 30 close? I don't like that closure at all. And we broke the lows. Yeah, chat. I can't take anything there. If we push down here though, we can look to take some buys to continue back up. But looks like it's getting a little bit difficult. Let's see, chat. Now what I want to see, just for your guys' information, is I want to see a continuation back down off this level. See if we can tap into like around 27.92, around this area here, somewhere like this. Once we can do that, if we can start to push and, you know, make some structure, make a new high, we'll take some buys to continue back up and do something like this, right? That's essentially what I'm looking for right now, chat. It's a very simple thing that I'm looking for, a very simple structure point. But remember where we are in the higher time frame structure. So we're literally, you know, we've made our highs. Let me just draw this out. So we're obviously in a bullish market right now. You sort of trended for a bit, made a high. Now you've made a low, right? What I would call that is probably just manipulation below the level, grabbing liquidity. Now you're seeing this push back up. Either you can wait for a closure above and take that continuation up like this, or you can obviously wait for a continuation down towards the bottom of the range like this. Then you can take the buys to continue all the way back up. So chat, one of two things we can obviously look for, both of which are equally as valid. It just depends on which the market decides to print, right? So we have two setups we can look for, which means obviously double the opportunity for us to get positions. You need to be able to adjust to where the market's, you know, printing, and we understand in both ways. Market can do one of two things right now, and either way we can take advantage of it, right? It can do this, or it can do this, and continue back down, and then make the push up like this, right? So either way, we can take advantage of it. It just depends on which one the market actually wants to give us. Make sense, chat? Should do. It's pretty simple. But yeah, chat, I think yeah, this is very interesting, to be fair. I think we've just seen the Bitcoin lows. Oh shit, it actually did tap 91. I think that's going to be your low for the, well, for a while. It did tap 91 as well, yeah. I expected it to tap low 90s. It did tap it, and then yeah, now you're coming up towards a flip, which would be great, to be honest. Look at Ethereum, same thing, tap the lows. You actually broke all the lows on Ethereum, which is good, and now you're starting to reject, which is really nice. Only thing I don't like on Ethereum is that the daily did close below, right? Solana looks like shit, but the rejection is good. Yeah, chat. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Crypto's a big play for me right now as well, so obviously it's important to keep an eye on both. But you can apply the same technicals. You know, you can literally apply the same technicals from Forex as you do to crypto and anything, to be honest. Even, you know, business-wise, you can look at whether price is fair or not. You know, there's always going to be, you know, discounted price, premium price, all that sort of thing. So we can look at the same on Bitcoin, Ethereum, like Solana, or whatever you want, the stock market, anything. You can apply the exact same principles from us trading gold. You know, looking at the daily, looking at market structure, looking at bias, etc. Apply that to investing as well. Why would the principles change just because you're on a higher time frame? It doesn't make sense, right? So even if you're long-term holding a stock or a crypto, it doesn't make a difference. The same principles still apply. Hope you lot are buying this dip as well. Maybe. I actually did. I picked up a few Ethereum last night. And this morning. But not too much because I'm pretty heavily risked here, to be honest. Not heavily risked, actually. I don't want to say that. Like, I'm very fairly risked, but it's just like crypto is crypto at the minute. It can go either way. I have to be very, I don't know, careful with it. 20 pips on a 0.4 lot is like $8, isn't it? No, that's $80. I don't have spare to buy those dips. It was dip after dip after dip. Yeah, there was a lot of dips. I'll give it to you guys. Like this. I mean, to be fair, we're still Bitcoin's in a bull market and altcoins are in a bear market, right? Which is interesting. It's rare that that ever happens. That's why I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, we pushed down all the way from like 4K. But look, chat, so the 5 minutes just closed here. Closed bullish. Again, there's not much I can do right now. We have to wait and just stay focused here. Stay locked in with us, chat. There's a lot of potential. A lot of potential. So we just need to stay focused and stick to the plan. I think we will need to push down though, realistically. Like after a push like this, especially since you've got no structure, I think realistically we are going to need to see a tap into this area around here, to be honest. Like at least 27.93. It makes no sense to not do that, chat. You need liquidity, right? There's nothing fueling this push anymore. Oh, by the way, one thing as well, whilst I do have you, chat, I spoke to my guy at RaiseFX yesterday, and they've agreed to continue the promotion with the 50% deposit bonus because it worked so well. It was such a good, I don't know, fucking campaign for them. They agreed to continue it, so yeah, they've got it for, well, we've got it for 1 more week. So yeah, if you do want to make, you know, if you do need a new broker and you want to take advantage of that, then make sure you do it by the end of the week. Otherwise, it is going to probably be gone forever. But look, chat, 8 minutes here to the 15-minute close. See what we can do. How was everyone's weekend though, chat? What did you guys get up to? Anything interesting from any of you? Went skiing? Yo, I saw that. You put it in the chat, right? Was that in main chat? Am I tripping? I thought I saw something. Maybe not. Oh, in the gym chat. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, lovely, bro. So nice. I miss skiing like crazy. Good stuff. It was perfect conditions. That's sick. I bought a nightcap from a charity shop last week for £1 and sold it for 241 on eBay. It's a vintage nightcap that Eminem wore a bunch in the 90s. Got it for £241 from £1. That's insane. That is insane. Went to Coates for Scrant. Nice. Kata, when you messaged me, I swear you said you were doing like a couple over the limit. But then now you just... Oh shit, you did 56 over the limit. That's insane. Oh, bro. When you messaged me, you said you were doing 6 kilometers over the speed limit. You must have forgot the 5. You were literally like... Caught me 6 kilometers over the limit. That's why I was like, what the fuck? Why would you get banned for that? If you drove 99, you were fine, but you... Oh, because you were over? That's insane. Yeah, that's so tough. Bro, you can't be doing double the speed limit though, Kata. That's insane. That's ridiculously fast. And you tried to bribe him as well. That's so funny. What did he say when he didn't take the bribe? Was he just like, no? It worked in the past? Yeah, I bet. Alright, chat. 5 minutes of closing here. You are flipping back up. You made a low right now, chat. So, if you can come and close back above the level here on maybe like the 15 or the 30 minute, after making this structure, you should be good to continue up. You can use this as your stops, which is great. And yeah, chat, that's absolutely perfect. If you can make that low and cement it as like a, you know, a valid low, we're going to be good to go. The 5 minute close doji right now. Interesting. Otherwise, it might just be a lower high to continue back down. But again, we need to wait for price to tell us which one it is. Chat, what should I get for my setup when I move? I'm going to have a brand new office, right? What should I get for my setup? I feel like I want to get a new mic. I want to get some cool shit, to be fair. I want to get like an LED sign. I want to get some cool shit. I don't know what though. I need to get creative. Bunch of cool RGB stuff. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go RGB or if I want to go like a little bit classier than that. I'm going to see. So I also want it to be nice for a setup, like for videos. So like, you know, if I have my camera here, fancy dimmed lamp, yeah. I'm gonna get some cool shit like that. What's good, Ricky? How's it going, man? How's it going? How's it going? Classy office would go hard? Yeah, I think so. I want to get like a cool shit. Nice little plants in the background. I'm gonna have like a sofa there too. Casting couch. All that type of thing. What? Yeah, we'll see. Chat, so realistically, like we always say, 9:30, 9:30, 10 o'clock-ish, we'll be looking to get some volume coming into the market. That's normally when we see a nice little push. So in the next like sort of 15 minutes, you should see the volume increase, which is great. There's a lot of potential for us to grab positions right now. I do believe currently the market is setting up. You just have to wait and stay patient. Chat, I'm going to grab some water real quick. I'll be back in 2 seconds. All right, chat, we're back. We're back. Nice. Cool, chat. So we're pushing back up. 15-minute close in like a minute. Good job. How's it going, man? Mr. Eugene as well. Whole gang's pulled up whilst I was away. But look, chat, if we can close above here on the next candle, it's probably going to be the 30-minute that we do it. We can look to take some buys to continue back up. I do think realistically we'll tap into 28.12 today. Might need to come down to tap the 27.90s first. But I mean, chat, realistically, it's going to be a case of what price wants to do. If it wants to rip through it, it'll probably just rip straight through, to be honest, especially with all the fundamental stuff that's going on right now. You know, it could be a very interesting one. Alright, chat. So the 15-minute just closed. Alright, actually it didn't. I lied completely, but it's got 6 seconds till it does. It's most likely going to be respecting this level here. Nothing I can take right now. But yeah, like I said, we do look like we're setting up nicely here. So just stay patient. And yeah, one sec, chat. I have to read something real quick. Cool. Alright, look, so obviously since it's the start of the month and start of the week, realistically time to stay patient here. Not too much I can be looking at doing right now. Again, wait for your perfect setup to form, as I always say. I know I say this a lot, but it's massively important. Chat, out of curiosity, did anyone who watched the podcast over the weekend, the Bright Funder podcast, or last week? If you did, there's a lot of good gems in there. If you haven't watched it already, I definitely would recommend it. I think psychology-wise, it's an absolute banger. Like, it really should teach you a lot. So if you're struggling with psychology, don't miss out on it. Very, very good. Hey, thank you, Blandy. I appreciate it. Gold too. Yeah, I think, to be honest, I'm super happy with how it went. They invited me back onto another one, so obviously it did all right. But yeah, we tried Top Step. No, I actually have never tried Top Step. I tried Apex, but I didn't really like the future side, so I stuck with Forex, to be honest. I've heard Top Step's all right though. They're probably them. Yeah, I think they're the best futures one from what I've heard. 30-minute reflipped here, which is interesting. Very, very interesting. You could see a continuation down now, chat, which is actually quite good for us. So yeah, definitely not a bad thing. So asking around, I want to get one. Yeah, I don't think they're too bad, bro. From what I've heard, I mean, a lot of futures people use them, and even some Forex people are going back into it. So yeah, I wouldn't be too concerned. I think they're the biggest too. I can't wait to get somewhere with nice warm weather. Super fucking excited for that. I have to pack all my shit as well though. It's going to be so interesting. I'm actually probably not going to do it. My girl's probably going to do it, but so much shit to bring over with me. I've already got like 5 people being like, yo, I want to come see what it's like because I want to move out there too. I was in the gym yesterday and like 2 different people were like, yo, let me know how it is. I'm thinking about moving there as well. I think realistically, we might start a little commune out there. A little cult. When you move in? 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. That with Raise, how do I get the deposit bonus? You need to email them. Wait, let me just let's not open WhatsApp on the main fucking screen. Okay, apparently I did. Let me just chat to my guy. Yeah, so he said to do exactly this, right? Emails their support and just say this. I think their support is yeah, support@raisefx.com. and then you get you can take advantage of the bonus. Man, I'm happy for you. Enjoy it. Hey, thank you, Malinka. I appreciate it. Fazo, what's good, brother? Good, what's good? Yeah, look at this 5 minute pushing down here, chat. Interesting, very, very interesting. It looks like we might close no bottom wick as well. Doesn't mean I can take sells, buys off the bat, but this is pretty good for us. We needed to see a continuation back down. So now that we're getting that, that's great. We need to see, I realistically would like to see 27.92 get tapped as a minimum. If we could tap back into 91, that'd be absolutely perfect. Especially if we could do it like very quickly without much structure. We could take a look at taking some buys off the rip there. Otherwise, chat, this might be the area where you react as well, somewhere around here, like we've done in the past, right? You have a reaction at this level between 95 and 94. So again, it's just about which one it wants to react off of, but I'm not going to take any buys just yet. I want to see a little bit further down if we wanted to get something here. Especially since the 1 hour came up first, closed respecting, and then tapped into the level. It's a little bit difficult. We do have a 30-minute close here in about 9 minutes time as well. So realistically, we might be better off waiting for that. A lot of potential here though, chat. A lot of potential. 5 minute did just reflip though. Let's see what it wants to do, chat. It's just a case of waiting to see what the market actually wants to print. If it wants to print something nice for us, then great. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see. The Dow, welcome. What's the bias for gold today? Bullish. Definitely bullish. You sell your car, what car will you buy in Cyprus? That's a good question, bro. It's a good question because they're very expensive out there as well. There's like a massive premium on cars. So I'm either going to get like the same Mercedes as I've got, or I might try and get like a Land Rover. But it'll be like a little bit of an older one. Can't trade gold on raise? Yeah, you can. Get a GTR? Bro, I fucking wish. GTR would be crazy. Buy a Land Rover if you want. Have friends in service. Wait, what? If you want, have friends in service. Oh shit, yeah, because they break down all the time, right? 1,000 horsepower. Right, I couldn't. Yeah, fuck that. I was looking at an M4 as well, like an older M4. Not old, like 2018, 2019 M4. They're pretty nice. They're not too bad as well. You need 2 Land Rovers if one is in service, you got a second. Bro, they're nice as fuck though. But yeah, I did hear they break down quite a lot. Crazy. That 2 minutes here to the 5 minute closure. You are starting to reject right now. So if you can push and close back above, buys look super nice. But let's see, chat. As I said, a lot of potential today, so just stay focused, stay locked in. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already as well. There's 70 of you in here right now. We should realistically be able to hit 50 likes on today's stream. I'm in a Land Rover at the minute, never again. Really? Crazy, alright. Holy fuck. Yeah, Jay, it's just called gold. Yeah. Sorry, my bad, I should have said that. All right, look, 1 hour flip back up. 30 minute is looking essentially, we're looking good here, chat. Most stolen car. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah, someone said to me yesterday, like, actually, I don't want to say that on stream. Never mind. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all keyless cars can be stolen quite easily, though. You have to put your key in like a RFID protective case or some shit. This 5-minute though, big rejection. So it was just the tap into 27.95 that you needed here. 27.94.8. Exactly how we said, right? New timing chain, new aircon system. No mechanic will touch them apart from main dealer. Tough. What do you have? Like a defender or something? I was looking at defenders because they're fucking nice. Otherwise, I also saw Discovery. Wait, which one am I thinking of? Oh, okay. Yeah, I want a defender. I think they're bad boy, but at the same time, I think they're pretty fucking, yeah. It can be so hard to get insured on. You guys are just crushing my dreams right now, or what? No, I'm joking. Shit, the 5-minute close, no top wick here at the level, chat, and tap back into it, which is interesting. Looks to me as if we're not going to continue up right now, especially due to that. That's unfortunate, because the 15 did just reflip. What else was I looking at? I saw a Porsche Macan. Was it a Macan or a KN? One of them, one or the other. They're actually relatively reasonably priced. I think it was a KN, the bigger one. They're pretty sick. I don't know if I like them though. I like them the new ones, but not the older ones. Otherwise, chat, I'll probably just get like a E-class. I just get it on lease if you so LR recover any. Yeah, true. Truffle and cheese popcorn for dinner? What? Truffle and cheese popcorn? You're gonna have to send a picture of that, Tom. I want to see that in gym chat right now. What the fuck is that? You got cheese on your popcorn? That's insane. Doesn't matter if the car has 5+ years, they don't do aftermarket spare parts, so you have to buy it in dealership and it costs like it's a brand new car. Yeah, I hear that. Alright, chat, maybe I won't. I saw a clean M4 though. I also saw a nice E-Class, but I don't know. E-Class all the way? Bro, I think the one that I saw was 3-door though, which was weird. I don't know why it was 3-door, but it was fucking beautiful. It was like this like red color. I don't know how to explain it. It was red, but it was like quite tasteful. Ah, okay. It's a packet thing. I thought you meant like homemade. Cute version? I think so, yeah. RS7 for me next, or M8? Jar. RS7. The Sportback one. Oh. The ridiculous whip. M8s are nice too, yeah. To be honest with Jar, especially because you got a family, bro, I'd be RS6 in it if I were you. I'd get a decked out RS6. The wide body kit RS6? Holy fuck. I'd just be whipping this about. Tell me that's not like a beast. Just ridiculously nice car. Yeah, look, we have 1 minute here to the 30-minute closure. We are looking to push back above here. It looks as if we're going to close respecting and then pop straight through. Which is obviously unfortunate if it does that, chat, but nothing I can do right now. I need to wait for the closure. I mean, it needs to be above, right? It has to be above this level here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, the 1 hour level here is very difficult at 27.98. What's good, Race? How's it going, man? Most recent? Yeah, I mean, look, it is closing above this level here, to be honest, but I'm concerned about the area at 27.99 and the 1 hour level at 27.98.5. So I would need to see a closure above that. RS6 Avant. Let me see. White rim. Oh. Wait. I'm not seeing one with white rims. Oh, this one, right? The Avant GT. Yeah, that is clean. WSG Rays, what's good, man? Welcome back. Ford Cortina, lovely stuff. Chat, 30-minute close respecting here, right at the level. Respecting even the previous closures. Absolutely nothing I can take right here, but we are pushing up. We did make a low now as well, chat. So if you can respect that low, that's absolutely perfect. Look at the 5-minute structure, right? If you continue to push up here, that's gonna be great for our stops. It's gonna be very safe stops there. So chat, gold is setting up right now. Understand where you are in the market. Right now we're in the phase where gold is deciding to set up. So just be patient. You know, this is where we need to just start and lock it in a little bit more. And then as it gets closer to your setup, you lock it in more and more and more. And then, yeah, that's where we're going to get our setup. So just be patient. We're setting up. And, yeah. Oh. Boom, success overnight. Exactly. Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to stop eating this popcorn until the bag's empty. That's when you know it's good. Yeah, I ordered the nicest food yesterday though. I actually had a banger like meal last night. I got back from the gym and I didn't want to cook, so I got these like chicken wraps. Bro, they were so good. And then like salt and pepper chips with them. Fucking crazy good. Nice little bulky meal. Way too much food though. Alright chat, look, so again, like I said, we're closing respecting here. It's starting to form a bit of choppiness. You don't really want to be trading when it's doing stuff like this. You need clear direction. And your confirmation right now is the fact that we are pushing up. We made a low right now. If you can re-break this high here, that's your confirmation that we're going to continue all the way up towards the top of the next range. So all we need now is that one final confirmation, that closure. Once we get that, chat, you're going to be good to go. You're going to be good to go. So just stay patient. Yeah, a lot of opportunity here. A lot of opportunity. I'm so intrigued to see what the market does this week though, especially because we were sort of, you know, pulling back over the weekend on everything and like over to the end of last week. Especially due to the fact that, you know, the tariffs and shit. So if you didn't know, Trump imposed like a 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico, I think. Canada put one back on the US. He put one on China as well. I think China are putting one back on the US as well. Very fucking interesting. US session's gonna be wild, yeah. Bro, it's mad how you guys both said that at the exact same fucking time. Yeah, it should be crazy. Market slide as Trump escalates, as Trump tariff war escalates. Main European stock markets were all down more than 1%, while Japan's stock market closed down 2.7%. Canada and Mexico are facing tariffs of 25% on their exports to the US. Chinese-made goods will face a 10% levy in addition to existing tariffs. Canada and Mexico have said they will hit back with retaliatory tariffs, while China promised corresponding countermeasures. Insane. Tariffs on the EU will definitely happen. It's crazy. UK is out of line. That's so funny, bro. Yeah, chat, look, pushing back up here now. Exactly what I was looking for here. Once we do get a nice little 15 closure, we should be good to go, chat. So I'll look to see if we can take advantage of that in about 10 minutes time. Or even 5 minutes time, maybe, if we get a decent enough closure. It's triggering inflation. We'll see. There's a possibility it does trigger inflation, yes. But at the same time, it also is going to be good for them. You know, Trump's an isolationist, right? He doesn't care about the rest of the world. He cares about America. So he's going to do what makes them strongest. Which is fair enough. We should have the same thing over here. Need a recession is needed to get things back to normal. Probably that's what they're trying. I'd say we probably are in a recession. Nah, maybe you're right. Jinx, buy me a cig. Crazy. That 5-minute closing here. No top wick by the looks of it, nearly. Trade war does not make them stronger. The tariffs will definitely make them stronger. 100% they will. 100% they will. The US has everything they need. They have every natural resource, every production that they can think of. So yeah, it definitely will. They produce their own energy, stop buying it from abroad. Their own oil. All that sort of shit. And it secures their borders too. It definitely makes them stronger on all fronts. But anyway, regardless of that, we're closing above here. Can we catch 10 pips? I don't care about any of the rest of the world. As long as I can catch my 10 pips for the day, that's all that matters. Can you explain why sometimes you'll be looking for trades off the last 15 of the 4-hour candles and sometimes you say you won't take a trade? Yeah, it just depends on the setup, to be honest. Obviously, recently the 4 hours been pushing in the last 15 minutes. That's why I've been a bit more fine to take 4-hour trades. Trades in the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. Because previously, the 4 hour used to pull back towards the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. So you'd see it make a top wick. You know, you'd see this candle start to pull back as that 4 hour is starting to close. But recently, in the last sort of 10-15 minutes of that 4 hour candle, we've seen it continue and push through. This is why you see a lot of no top wick candles, but you also see like those little pops and the volume increases at the end. So that's why, you know, I've gone from not taking positions towards the last sort of 15 minutes to being quite aggressive and taking nice positions in the last 15 minutes, if that makes sense. Euro USD news going to need a boom upside. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I don't really follow the news too much, like Euro news and all of that sort of stuff. Yeah, we're ripping right now. 5 minute did close no top wick, but we're still pushing through here. It's fine, right? Depending on how the 15 closes, we could be good for some positions here. You might just rip straight through though, that's the problem. What stops me here? Chat. Might be gone here, you know? So we were actually on the dot with our reaction point, right? Remember I had a line right here? I literally had a line right here for our rejection level. And we hit it on the dot. Which is good, but obviously we didn't enter a position, so it doesn't really mean much. Thanks for the explanations. All good, brother. All good. Chat, listen, drop a like as well if you haven't already. We've been picking up some great momentum recently. I don't know if you guys have seen, we've got some clips channels on Instagram and the streams have been doing a lot better. So, yeah, keep showing the love. It's massively, massively appreciated. Drop a like as well. Like I said, it does boost us, helps out with the algorithm a lot. Also, just the watch time as well helps out. So thanks for pulling up every single day. It means a lot. 78 of you in here. Nice. Another way, Euro CPI, very important. All the individual Euro countries have already reported their CPI, so typically should come on as forecast. Yeah, it makes sense. 5 minutes down to reject, chat. 6 minutes here to this 15-minute closure. So can we grab something nice here? With this rejection, though, I'm not too sure. That's a big rejection. Could just be a bottom wick, though, for us to continue back up. So much potential, chat. Stay patient here. Don't FOMO into any positions. I think we've got a lot of opportunity here. Oh. Pretty sure that's why it's an orange folder on Forex Factory. I mean, yeah, that would make sense, right? If they've already, like, you know, reported their CPIs, then it doesn't make a difference. Oh. It's so funny how the market reacts. Chat, has anyone seen the series Industry? I'm pretty sure about like investment banking. I kind of want to watch it. From what I've heard, it's pretty good. Alright, chat. 5 minutes to this 15 closes. We look pretty nice. We look pretty nicely. We look pretty good here, chat, to be honest. You can close like this. Is it called Industry? I think it's a British TV show because it's on BBC, yeah. It's meant to be pretty good. It's pretty good, not the best, but entertaining. Alright, nice. Any cigarettes? Whoa, Eugene. No. That 5 minute closed here. Closed weak bullish, sort of above the level. So I do expect us to continue up here. Nonetheless, you grab some liquidity as well. You obviously need to wait for this closure. You do have a little level here. I do think this is a fake out though, chat. So I'm not too concerned about it, to be honest. Not too concerned about it. Although you did just tap the level that it did tap into before rejecting. So we'll see. Either way, chat. I mean, look, you should be able to tap into 2802. Probably vape and a lemon one. Don't tell Eugene that. He loves a vape. This Eugene guy's always vaping. Like, always. You ever played Batman Arkham City? No. Never. I also don't think that's how you spell it. Actually, I can bait you, man. No, you can't. Warms up the lungs. Do a vape trip compilation. Alright, chat. Tapping back into the level here. You are starting to reject, though, which is interesting. So, obviously, due to the fact we have this rejection here, we have to be a little bit careful. You are going to push below, then, yeah, it is what it is. Again, we do have the 4-hour close in about 20 minutes, too. So, you can't really be too aggressive here if you are starting to reject as well. If we were just going to push straight through, then maybe we'd look at some positions, but Streamy chuffs them. No chance. You'll absolutely never find me with a vape. I can promise you that for free. Seen it? He has a grey one. Grey vape. That's crazy. Tap back into the level. Good man, never start. I mean, I used to vape when I was at uni, but I grew up. I'm not a child anymore. Like this shit vape, now I can't stop. Yeah, it's tough. Just stop. How should I get into crypto as a newbie? It depends what you want to do. Do you want to trade crypto? Do you want to trade gold with us? Do you want to, you know, like invest in crypto? It's up to you. Start to research it, you know, watch some YouTube videos. Happy vaping right now, at least I'm smoke free. I'd much rather smoke a cigarette than a vape. I can't lie. I actually would speculate that cigarettes are healthier than vapes, but that might just be me. Either way, this 1 hour looks good, right? The 4 hour as well looks fine. As long as the 4 hour closes above 27.96, you should be good to continue up. But I would like it to overall be all above this 1 hour level here. If I'm truly honest. Not the way I inhale them. You inhale them like Mike Nolan. Never exhale. Do you even exhale? What a fucking series that is. Alright, chat. 15-minute closing here soon. Weak bullish by the looks of it. I mean, look, the 5 minutes starting to flip though. That might be your... Oh, that might be your rejection. Tap into the level, chat. We'll see. That might have been your bottom wick already made. I think, chat, the best play is to wait for the 1 hour, though, most likely. I want to see what the 15 does, but I would say the best option here is to wait for the 1 hour. Especially with the way the 5 minutes closing. 15 minute looks weak bullish. Yeah, it's not the best, chat, if it closes like this. Yeah, wait for the 4 hour. I think that's the best play, to be honest. Classic gold. Always classic gold. Exclamation mark SG. What does that do? Summon me or some shit. Yeah, chat. So look, the 15-minute close weak bearish right now. It did close above though, don't get me wrong. So I do think there's a potential for us to continue back up. However, with the way that we rejected, the 5 minutes also closed bearish. I can't be taking anything just yet. So I will be waiting for the 4 hour close here in about 14 minutes time. A lot of potential off this 4 hour close, right? A lot of potential. I think realistically, as long as you close bullish above this area here on the 1 hour, you're going to fill up towards at least 28.01, if not towards 28.12. If you can break through this little area here at 2800, which by the way we did just reject off of, if you can close above this area here, or like push through it, there's nowhere else for you to go other than all-time highs. Only concern is we might wait until New York session to do that, but yeah. Order block? There's no order blocks. No order blocks. 5 minute ripping back down, chat. Little double top here as well. Made quite a strong level. Nuh-uh. The WhatsApp. Did you ever play Batman Arkham City? It's crazy. Stop asking me that question. 30-minute flip, chat. Holy shit. 30-minute flips. 1 hour's coming down towards a flip as well. Big rejection here by the looks of it, chat. A lot of potential now either way, chat. If we can close bearish on the 1 hour, you might be able to get some sells to come back down, especially if it's below 27.96. Otherwise, chat, this could just be a the liquidity grab before the 4 hour close, right? This just could be us coming down, grabbing that liquidity before we actually then decide to push back through. Look at the way the 15-minute closed above. Now you got a bottom wick. Yeah, it's a bit too indecisive right now, though. I can't take anything here. Just stay locked in. Stay focused. We need to wait for some clear decision, right? Remember what I said on Friday's stream. Direction, liquidity, volume. You need all three things. At the minute, we have volume. We haven't really grabbed much liquidity. We grabbed a little bit down here. You have no real direction, though. Especially on the last, few 5 minutes here. We've just been ranging. So, yeah, we need to see that direction be informed, and then we need volume. Very, very simple. DLV. Yeah, you should be good. Not random. Trading is completely random. No, I'm joking. 1 hour flipped, ripping down here, chat. Wow. A lot of liquidity being grabbed too, chat. This could be very interesting. 4 hour has no bottom wick too, so you might want to come down and grab that first before we do anything else. Weekly and daily reflipped. If you do close bearish below 27.96, I'll take some sells to continue back down. Let's see here, man. Stay patient. This video only 10 minutes, chat. Not a long time at all. If you guys have any questions, though, now's your time to ask them, right? About anything, about whatever you want. Trading, anything. We've got 10 minutes to kill. Yeah. By the way, if you do want to get a funded account, ACG are running a 20% discount. If you use code SG, you're going to get 20% off your account. So, yeah, if you do need to get a new funded account, there's your opportunity right there. 5 minute closing. Chat, this is so indecisive right now. So indecisive. Remember, it's Monday morning, so Monday morning right now, which means you have what, 10 sessions left to trade. You have London session Monday, New York session Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 sessions per day. You have 10 sessions. All right, all you need is 1 trade a day throughout all of those 10 sessions. So if I don't get a trade now, I'm not worried. If I don't get a trade even in New York session today, I'm not worried. Okay, just stay patient, stay focused. Even if I only get 1 session per week, it doesn't matter, okay? Just wait for the right things to form. There's so much time. Trading, there's going to be infinite setups, you know? There's never going to be the last setup. So just stay patient. If your setup hasn't formed, guess what? You're not taking anything, because you need to realistically understand the best way for you to make money quickly in trading is to be patient and wait and take the long route, okay? Stay patient, wait for your setup, and that's exactly how you're going to make money the quickest. How's the merch coming along? So the merch is coming along not very well, to be honest. No, I'm joking, but we put a little bit of a halt on it whilst we're through the moving process. I'm going to be looking at factories again once I'm moved out, because obviously I've been super busy recently, but I do want to get the merch coming out as well. So I'm pretty sure 2025, you know, by the end of Q1 we'll have something. If not, it'll be Q2, but yeah, I don't doubt it at all. So once it's out, trust me, I'll be letting you guys know in the run up towards it. But yeah, I wanted to garden today, but ended up watching the charts for like 8 hours and didn't even take a trade. It's the W though, bro. The W is good discipline. Fastest and quickest way to make money from Forex is the slow way. It's so true. So true. 8 minutes here to the closure. Starting to reject. To be good here, chat. What I tell everyone. Yeah, chat, I posted a clip on Instagram saying the exact same thing yesterday. This is so true. So true. Why did I say that? I don't know if I posted it yet. But yeah, massively true. Okay, cool. So we are starting to form a range right now between these 2 levels here, between 27.95 and 27.99. Sort of formed like a small 5-minute range. Once you break out of either side of this range, you're going to see a continuation up. And yeah, it should be very, very good. Are we getting a Cyprus vlog? Yeah, so you're going to get one hopefully this week. I've actually been slacking on uploading the content. My editor's been messaging me like, yo, you're going to upload it? I've been like, yeah, my bad. Yeah, I've got one for the apartment tour and like signing the apartment contract. And then obviously once I move there, you're going to get vlogs every single week, most likely. I'm going to be able to vlog some crazy shit. Like the lifestyle vlogs, or just not the lifestyle vlogs, but like the day in the life vlogs is what I mean. They're going to get so much better. As well as that, obviously a lot more trading education content. I really want to take the YouTube game to the next level. So yeah, man, if you're not subscribed, definitely don't miss out. Pushing down now, chat, before the close. We have, what? Roughly 6 minutes here. 1 hour still bullish just about, but it's like doji. If we close like this, I reckon it might be a session. If we close like this. It'll be very tough to do anything. One sec. Very nice. Yeah, I wanted to come back at New York. Yeah, I'm going to see, chat. It depends on what this closure's like in 5 minutes. If we close, like, basically like we are right now, I'll probably be calling it a session. But if we can close back above or even bearish, I'll probably look at taking either some buys or sells, obviously, accordingly. So yeah, let's just see what we can do, chat. Five minutes here is not a long time to wait at all. Alright, so how did this 5 close? Okay, so it's like, yeah, volume's died off as well, chat. Look at the 1 minute as well. We're just sort of, you know, stood still is what I was trying to say. Absolutely fumbled my words. But yeah, stood still on the charts right now because, again, lack of volume means you're not going to really push through any levels. Chat, I watched all 3 of the Matrixes over the weekend. The Matrix films. Fucking weird films. But it's actually, I know it's like so fucking cliche now to say it, but it's actually such a weird eye-opener. Like the first one at least. The second 2 are basically just war movies, but like... the first one is crazy. Watch those movies on streams? Nah, I'm good. Nice that you finally opened your eyes. Bro, I've seen those films I've seen those films years ago. Like, my eyes have always been open, but... it's just funny to watch it again, right? It's just a reminder. Black pill? What's black pill? You need to reach a certain age, you actually realize? Oh yeah, I realized a long time ago, right? That's why I quit my 9 to 5 and everything. Like, I pretty much escaped, right? A lot of people still stuck. I would say that we've most likely escaped. I don't know, I mean, we'll see. Probably not yet, but... Good, Adnan. How's it going, brother? I'm good. How are you? Did you say you were finishing stream soon? I'm waiting for this 4-hour closure right now. We've got 2 minutes here to the 4-hour close. I want to see exactly how it closes. I might be looking at taking some sells here. If we close respecting 27.96.5, so below it, we'd look for some sells. But until we do that, not much I can do, chat. Otherwise, I would look for buys back above, but it doesn't look like we're going to close above at all. At least we've got a little bit of volume coming into the market, chat, but again, not much direction still. Fishing, bro, for trade. Tariff fucked the markets today. Bro, New York hasn't even opened yet. Just wait. There's going to be a lot of volume later. I don't think it's fucked the markets at all. Weird price action. What's good, Will? Yeah, it is weird price action, to be honest. It's just lack of volume, indecision, and yeah, there's a bit of like fear in the markets from the tariffs and everything. I do believe still we need to come down and make a bottom wick for the previous 4-hour though. If not, we probably need to test 27.90. Gaps tend to get filled. They do, but I mean, look, we'll see. One minute here, chat. Lock it in a little bit. Can we close below? It just depends on how this last 1 minute wants to move. Literally, it all comes down to a little 1 minute candle. By the looks of things, chat, might not be ideal here. It's close below that line right there. Maybe. Problem is, right, if you do that, though, the 15 and the 30 are going to be pretty much no bottom wick, which is not ideal. Like a hammer candle on the 30-minute. 4-hour is technically closing above, right? Above most recent support. Or, sorry, resistance. But the 1-hour closing as it is, it's going to close doji, right? Doji, chat. All right, look, I'm calling it here, man. I'm calling it here. Chat, yeah, if you are going to dip off right now, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It does massively help out. Otherwise, we'll play the GeoGuessr quickly and then we'll call it a session. I'll be back for New York in the group, in the coaching group. However, yeah, for right now, there's nothing that I can take here, to be honest. Chat, join up, join up. What's the reason for not staying to the end of London session? Is it clear that it's not gonna move to where you want? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Like with this closing the way it is, it's just not what I want, to be honest. The 4-hour close, like respecting the previous level as well. Really difficult to take a trade here, chat, to be honest. Alright, chat, starting the game. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate it, man. No, chat, what's that in the road? There's a cow in the road. Where is this? Dropping off, mate. See you at NY session. Will it be announced in the Discord? Yeah. It will be, bro. It will be 100%. Shit, I need to guess. Is this someone here? Oh. Albania. See you in a bit, man. I just stuck a random guess in there, to be honest. I wonder if it is actually San Francisco. Or is it? Oh, chat. What a guess. I was 16 kilometers away. Saw the cow and you immediately thought of Romania, bastard. I knew it was like somewhere Eastern Europe. Yeah, I'm actually smoking you guys. Oh. We know where this is. We know where this is. I can actually find it. Where the fuck is it again? Here. I nearly lost it then, chat. Holy shit, that would have been not good. Chat. I was 14 meters from the correct location. Bro, what's going on? Actually get smoked. 14 meters away. I'm screenshotting that. That's fucking clutch. Putting that in GeoGuessr chat. Guys, surely you know Monaco Harbour. Well, that's quite obvious. What is this? I don't know what this language is. Is it like here? Ah, oh, fuck. That's your hometown? No way. Wait, and you're not even playing? Oh, you are playing. Did you get it or not? 19 meters. Wait, what? Oh, shit. That's crazy. Good shit, Malenko. I think even if I get 0 points here, you can't beat me. It's likely I might get 0 points here, to be honest. Yeah, I want to be this guy just sat on a bike chilling in the middle of nowhere. Not middle of nowhere, but doing fuck all. This has to be like somewhere here, right? I don't know. Laos. Lao. Alright, chat. Get smoked. Absolutely get smoked. Chat, have a great one. Peace out. I appreciate all of you very, very much, man. Great stream. Even though we didn't get any positions, absolutely W stream. Have a great rest of your day, man. Trade responsibly. Be careful with this price action. It's very, very choppy. And yeah, other than that, have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.